ये वीडियो बना।
क्या यार एक मौत है।
So good afternoon everyone, including our online friends. So as we all know, this is our as we all know, this is the last class with Pathak sir, as well as our last class in this institution. So on everyone's behalf, sir, including from our online friends, thank you very much. It was such an enriching session with you, and we truly enjoyed your classes, sir. I think I have attended the best classes of my life. I think everyone will agree here also. Since time is limited, sir, I don't want to waste the opportunities. Majority of the faculty have highlighted the problems, sir, that we will be facing after the class. That will be more challenging, and no one can better than you tell how to tackle this problem, sir. Can you highlight this, sir?
See, this is a very generic question. What problems? One is that you will face academic challenges. Second is non-academic challenges. Now both require a different approach to handle. But one thing is there, whatever we have discussed under emotional intelligence, the main idea is to maintain your calmness, focus, and also regulate your emotions. I tell you, majority of the problems in life start because of unrealistic goal setting. And one of the reasons why we do it is because of social pressure that we face. I would always say that embark on a journey to know yourself, so that you can have more objective things set for yourself, and then these problems will automatically be taken care of. No human beings cannot eliminate problems from their lives, but they can definitely reduce these problems. And I would say, I maintain this in every class, that the most pristine, sought after moments will never come in your life. Whatever moments have come, make them pristine. That is very, very important. So if you keep waiting for good times to come, they will never come. Whatever times are there, make them good, make your journey worthwhile, try to learn from it so that you can utilize it for your not only qualifying in the examination, but also life beyond it.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Shukla ji for he will dedicate a song for sir. Sorry, Pathak ji.
सर आप बैठ जाओ थोड़ी देर। खड़े गए।
मेरी भीगी भीगी सी मेरी भीगी भीगी सी पलकों पे रह गए, जैसे मेरे सपने बिखर के। जय मन तेरा भी किसी के मिलन को अनामिका तू भीतर से। मेरी भीगी भीगी सी तुझे बिन जाने बिन पहचाने
आग से नाता आग से नाता आग से इश्क़ करे मन समझ न आया मुझे क्या हुआ था एक बेवफा पे मुझे क्यों प्यार आया तेरी बेवफाई पे हंस जग सारे गली गली गुजरे जिधर से जले मन तेरा भी किसी के मिलन को अनामिका तुम भी घर से मेरी भीगी भीगी सी आपके डेफिनेशन मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगी फॉर करप्शन की डेफिनेशन दैट योर मनी एंड योर हनी इन माय रूम
So 10 months and what a journey. So let's all sing together this song, which is also the informal aspirant song, and it is सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी ले एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो Once again, give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो हमें जीने दो। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो हमें जीने दो। मिलके बिताएंगे हाले दिल गा के सुनाएंगे हम तो सात रंग हैं ये जहां रंगीन बनाएंगे
यहाँ पे खड़े होना पास में खड़े होना थोड़े
ये सॉन्ग भी फॉर्मली है वैसे तो, पर सर की क्लासेस में चल जाता है। Thank you.
Good.
आज बिछड़ रहे हैं पर याद ये तो कल गए तो आज वाला तो आना भूल गए। आज बिछड़ रहे हैं मगर यादें रह जाएंगी। आज बिछड़ रहे हैं मगर यादें रह जाएंगी। आपकी सीखें हर मुश्किलों में काम आएंगी। कल जब कामयाब होंगे हम इस जहां में, कल जब कामयाब होंगे हम इस जहां में, आपका नाम होगा हमारी पहचान।
जय महाराष्ट्र। अच्छा सेंटर में ऊपर वाला दिखा
पीजी के लिए तुम ज़्यादा ही आज
First of all of us sitting in this auditorium are feeling a bit emotional today because as it is the last day of our lives. Sir, first of all, what you have taught is not only academically applicable but also we can apply in our life. And for everybody's information, I would like to tell that from past 4 to 5 days, sir is bit what we can say ill, but then only is coming to institution regularly and taking his classes. We need to applaud him. This type of dedication and compassion I have seen in very less people. As you know, you are the most experienced faculty of this institution, and also you treat everyone like a friend of yours. That's a very big thing for a teacher to do. So thank you so much, sir. And I would like to dedicate one line to you. In fact, you only told in one of your lectures that a stranger comes for a while and sees a mind. And for me, that stranger was you. Thank you so much. I would also like to thank the students sitting here because M9 was a great batch to be and study with. All of you were also very supportive and all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
गाना भी नहीं गाया मुझसे अच्छे से नहीं